Welcome back, children. Hope you're all fine and safe and having good time at home, eating well and having good story with your family members. Yes or no? Okay. Children, see, we are going to continue with the forest lesson. Okay. See, mm, what is near your house? Whether a park or a forest? Maybe if if it is forest or a park, what you do is you might have seen you'll be seeing number of trees and plants, right? And uh, whether the character of each tree is the same or it is different. One will be very tall in the shape of cone. Something some trees will be like crown, and some trees will bear the fruit, and some trees will bear the flowers. Yes or no? So all the trees are not the same. Okay, it is of different types and it's of different sizes. Okay, and children, when you go to the hill station, you see you'll be able to find the pine tree there. You'll be able to see the eucalyptus tree there. Children, eucalyptus trees, you'll feel that it reaches the sky. It will be so tall. And in the hill station, they produce eucalyptus oil on their own. Okay, there is a eucalyptus, oil, what to tell, a mill like just next to my house in Ooty. Okay, our house is just next to the hospital, and if you just go deep down that hill, no, down we can find just next to a river flowing over there. We can find one eucalyptus oil mill. Okay, they boil the eucalyptus seeds and they get the oil from it. The fragrance will be so nice when you go near the factory. Okay, why I say this is the trees, whichever is present, it is not the same. Okay, the trees in Ooty will not be seen in Coimbatore. The trees in Coimbatore may not be seen in Bhavani. Yes or no? Because the climatic condition in Coimbatore, it is mixture of both Ooty and plains. Okay, it'll be very mild. You'll not find the scorching heatness in Coimbatore. Okay, because it there is there are forests just next to the cities. Yes, so the varieties of trees, herbs, shrubs, whichever is seen in one place may not be seen in the other place. Okay, and children, if you go near a forest and see, you'll find three tropical layers, we can tell. The tallest trees, then the middlemen as uh, shrubs, and the smaller one with herbs and grasslands. Okay, and children, see, wherever there is flowers, what you'll be seeing? You'll be seeing the beautiful butterflies. Yes or no? They'll be flying so happily by taking the nectar from the flower. Okay, when only where there is more number of shrubs and herbs, we can find the butterflies fluttering there. Okay, and if you closely look at the bushes, you'll find a hair-like structure which gets attached to our dresses. Okay, and that is nothing but the thorns or seeds. Okay, and if you closely observe the bark of the tree, you'll find n number of insects. You'll find so many varieties of bugs beautifully moving there. Okay, you'll find so many spiders, squirrels, ants, and number of insects and number of animals will be depend upon the trees. Okay, and if you see down, this is like on our height or above our height, we can find shrubs and trees, and if you just look down, you'll find the herbs. And what you'll see in the ground, on the ground, you'll feel the land will be fully covered with the dried leaves. Okay, and if you just leave those dried leaves as such on the floor, you'll find it will become the manure for the plant. Okay, the dried leaves will convert itself by the bacteria and the microorganisms on the soil, and what happens, it will become the manure. Okay, and this dried and decayed leaves will cover the land Okay, and what else we can see, children? It forms the carpet, right? The dried leaves forms the carpet. Okay, see, children, what happens? Imagine a life. What happens if any one of the the organism, if that full variety, if it is not there in that surrounding, how the life how the life will be? See, for example, if we completely remove the trees, what happen? Or if we completely remove the herbs, what happen? Or if there is no butterfly at all, what happen? If there is no insect at all, what happen? Imagine the food chain in the forest is interdependent. Yes or no, children? See here, the producers that are the green plants, it will be consumed by the primary consumers. Okay, there are plant eating animals. We know that the herbivores are the plant eating animals. Yes, the plant prepare its own food, so we call it as autotrophs. Yeah, and the animals which eat only on the plant are called as the primary consumers. Okay, grass will be eaten up by the insects. And we know insects will be consumed by the lizard or the frog. Okay, and frog will be consumed by the snake. Okay, and snake is not a bigger animal. Snake will be consumed by the eagle. Okay, and one fine day, eagle will die. The body will get decomposed. Where it gets decomposed? In the soil. Okay, so from the soil again the plant grows. This is called as the food chain. If the plant is not there, any one animal in the food chain, if it is not there, if it is completely missing, that particular variety of animal is not there, then the food chain will be completely disturbed. Okay, if the food chain is completely disturbed, we may not have a happy life what we are having it now. Okay, so at any case, at any cost, we should not disturb the food chain. Is it clear, children? Because we, directly or indirectly, we depend on the plants. So we are all what to tell? We are all heterotrophs. Okay, so there is plant-eating animals, namely the herbivores, and there is animal-eating animals, which is called as the carnivore, and there are omnivores, which eat both plant and animals. So if we disturb the food chain, we are disturbing ourselves. We may not have a happiest life as we are having it now. Okay, so what to do? We have to observe. We have to enjoy the nature rather than disturbing them. Okay, show interest in growing the greeneries around your place so that it gives shelter, it gives food for so many animals. Is that clear, children? Okay, so in this class, we just discussed about the food chain and also about the various layer in the forest. Is that clear, children? Okay, bye.